Hey, designers! Let's create this animation in After Effects. Create a new composition. 1920 by 1080. OK. Let's import the background and the papers. Import. Drag and drop the background on the timeline first. We won't work on it, so let's lock it. Now take a new composition. Width and height 500 by 500. OK. Drag and drop paper 1 in the new composition timeline. Press R for rotation. Add a keyframe to the rotation. And give one rotation. Move the bar to the 5 seconds frame. Make it 0. This is it. Now go to Composition 1. Drag and drop Comp 2 here. Press P for position. Add a keyframe. Move the paper to the left, outside the frame. Now place the bar to the 5 seconds frame. Move all the way to the right. Let's place the bar in the center of these two frames and add a blank keyframe. Good. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor. Select these 2 points and adjust it like this. OK. Now adjust these handles in a way to make a curve. OK. Play it now. Very good. Go to the Effects and Presets. If you can't see it, search it in the window and you'll find it. Search CC cylinder here. Drag and drop it on the Comp 2 layer. Increase the radius. A little bit more. Now go to the rotation properties. Add a keyframe to all the axes. And give them random rotation values. That's it. Now move the last keyframe, which is 5 seconds. And give random rotation values. OK. Now press U to see the keyframes. Select these and place it in the first frame. Go to the light properties now. I'll decrease the light intensity to around 40%. Now shading properties. Increase the ambient value. OK. Now we're gonna do the same with the other papers. Go to Project. Make a new composition. OK. Drag and drop second paper here. Go to Comp 2. Select the layer and press Ctrl+C to copy all the keyframes. Now go to Comp 3 and press Ctrl+V to paste the keyframes. Open Composition 1 now. Select Comp 2 and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy its keyframes. Lock it now. Drag and drop Comp 3 here. Now press Ctrl+V to paste all the keyframes here. Let's change the position manually so that there should be a little bit difference in the movement of the papers. Good. Now make a new composition. OK. Go to Comp 3. Copy its keyframes by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Drag and drop paper 3 here and paste the keyframes on it by pressing Ctrl+V. Go to Comp 1 now. Drag and drop Comp 4 here. Copy Comp 3 keyframes. Paste it here and manually adjust the position, and then your animation will be done. Let's see it in the full screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.